Isn't it a beautiful today? Welcome to Desmond. Beautiful garden, really exotic garden. That's a place where you can get, beautiful tropical plants, and it's a place where you can come for meditation, come and relax your mind and so on. And you get all sorts of color of beautiful plants. You get roses, exoras, marigold, ornamental grass, ficus, palms, It's just a place to come and to relax your mind and to choose your plants, and you can set up your garden. And so isn't that beautiful? Isn't that amazing? Look at this, look at the beautiful roses, the texture, it's really nice. And we also have the pink rose. And as I said, this is my passion, this is what I do, and this is what I love, Isn't that amazing? What's this red one there? This is beautiful. Let's look at the color. So as I said, when you come to the nursery, you got a lot of variety of all kind of, even bougainvilleas, just look at that. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. So as I said, that's the nursery. You can come and get a wide variety of all sorts of flowers, and so you just name it and you find it at this nursery. Okay. All right, this is the garden where you can get all sorts of colors and just the colors of the rainbow, all different color plants and so, such as we have the hydrangea, really really beautiful. We have the jobra, as you can see. So as I said, when you come to the garden, you have a large variety of different plants. You have alamander, and you have musiander. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that amazing? Look at the texture of the leaf of the flower of the plant. We actually specialize in all kind of plant, exotic plant, things native to Dominica. We have the buckwibe. The buckwibe is our national flower, and we have a lot of heliconias like barisier, a lot of things that is native to Dominica. And as I said, there is a place you can come if you build in a house or building a hotel. I specialize in landscaping, private homes, and also flower arrangement, weddings, funeral. I do all sorts of things. So that's a place you can come. It's a one-stop shop then. Okay, I'm actually in the nursery in the bromeliad section, and this is one of my favorite area. I really really love bromeliad. Every time I see bromeliad I get really excited, and they come in all sorts of color. As you can see, they actually red and with a little yellow in the middle, and I also have this one, and they are really beautiful. And exactly you can use them if you at the side of your in a little shady area, and you can also use the fougere. Fougere is a thing that's native to Dominica. We actually grow fougere, and you cut it and use it as a prop pot. As you can see, some of them are actually grown in fougere. That's what they call fougere. So as I said, this is one of my favorite areas. As for this one, isn't that beautiful? We actually in the orchid section, so not too many of them flowering right now, but this one is beautiful. You see the texture of it, and this is from South of America, but they're actually grown in Dominica. We brought them in as tissue culture. But a garden without orchid is not a garden at all. When you see them in bloom, it's really beautiful. So as I said, just so when you're looking for maybe a gift or something for a loved one, a friend, you just come to Desmond Nursery and you'll get exactly what you're looking for. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, well, as I say, it was really nice having this tour of my garden. And as I said, it's a place where you can get a variety of plants, maybe for your home, for your mom, for your hotel, whichever. So you can also get a fresh arrangement and sorts of beautiful flowers in my nursery. Okay, once again, I'm easy to find, or you just call me at my number and you can make an appointment. All right, and once again, thanks for visiting Desmond Nursery.